Dear tots, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Online English Class 2020-21 once again. This is Arun Sharma, your PGT English teacher, is going to teach you the third lesson from Beehive book, that is The Little Girl. The Little Girl is written by a very famous English writer named Catherine Mansfield. Now let us talk about the author. Catherine Mansfield was born on October 14, 1888 in Wellington, New Zealand. After moving to England at the age of 19, Mansfield secured her reputation as a writer with the story collection Bliss in 1920. She reached the highest of her powers with her 1922 collection, that was The Garden Party. Her last 5 years were shadowed by tuberculosis, and she died from this disease at the age of 34 in January 9, 1923. Now let us talk about the introduction of this story. The story, The Little Girl, depicts the changing attitude of a girl child towards her father. This is the story of a little girl named Kezia, who in the beginning of the story is afraid of her father. She even avoids him. She does so because her father is a strict disciplinarian and he does not show any affection and love for her. He could be very harsh. He punishes her in order to teach her a lesson. But in the end, Kezia finds her father very considerate, loving and caring. When her mother is in hospital and she has a nightmare means dreadful dreams, fearful dreams. When her mother in the hospital and she has a nightmare, her father looks after her very well and shows her love and care, concern and affection for her. Now let us see the important characters of this story. There are 4 important characters. Number 1, Kezia, who is the central character of this story. The second character is father of Kezia. Third one is mother of Kezia. And fourth one is grandmother of Kezia. Now let us see some important points of this lesson. The first point is Kezia's fear of her father. Kezia remained afraid of her father. Before going to work, he would give her a casual kiss. During his absence, she always felt a strange sense of relief. In the evening, when her father came, he would call for a tea. When she took off his shoes on her mother's asking, she would be asked if she had been a good girl that day. Kezia would try to say a few words, but in vain. The second point is a Sunday afternoon. One Sunday afternoon, grandmother told Kezia to have a nice talk with her parents. Kezia, as usual, found her mother reading and her father snoring. She continued to wait for the father to awake. When he woke up, he only asked her not to stare as she looked like an owl. The third point is birthday gift. Kezia's grandmother wanted her to make a pin cushion of yellow silk as a gift for her father's birthday next week. Kezia made a pin cushion, P-I-N, cushion. Kezia made a pin cushion. In her innocence, she tore some sheets of papers of her father and stuffed them into it. The papers were actually an important speech her father was to deliver. Now let us see the next point, that is Kezia's punishment. When father looked for papers of his speech, he found them nowhere. Kezia had to tell him that she had torn those pages and stuffed them into the pincushion. She was asked to come to the drawing room. Father beat her on her hands with a ruler to teach her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Now, the next point is Kezia's reaction. Kezia cried and sobbed. Hours later, her grandmother wrapped her in a shawl as she was being rocked in a rocking chair. She asked with a sob, "What did God make fathers for?" On seeing a neighboring father playing with her children, she thought that there were different kinds of fathers in the world. The next point is Kezia's nightmare. Nightmare means fearful dreams. Fearful dreams. One day, Kezia was all alone with Alice. Alice is the maid servant in Kezia's house. One day, Kezia was all alone with Alice, the cook. Alice, the cook. The father was sleeping in his room. Kezia's grandmother was with her mother in a hospital because the mother was ill. In her sleep, Kezia had a bad dream. She saw a butcher with a knife coming near to her. She screamed and woke up her father. After hearing her scream, father took Kezia to his room and lay down with her on his bed. The next point is Kezia's realization. In her fear, Kezia came close to her father. Father asked Kezia to rub her feet against his legs to get them warm. Kezia found his legs hard. Suddenly, she realized that it was so because he had to work hard all the day. He would get too tired to play with her as Mr. MacDonald, who was the neighboring father of Kezia's house, played with his children. She stood and told her father that her head was on his heart. She exclaimed innocently, "What a big heart you have got, father dear." Now let us see the summary in Hindi. केजिया जो कि इस लेसन की मेन कैरेक्टर है, वह अपने पिता से काफी डरती है। केजिया अपने पिता से भयभीत रहती थी। काम पर जाने से पहले वह उसे एक सामान्य किस दिया करते थे। उनकी गैरहाजिरी के दौरान वह हमेशा एक अजीब सी राहत की भावना महसूस करती थी। शाम के समय जब उसके पिता घर लौटते थे तो वे चाय की मांग करते थे। जब वह अपनी मां के कहने पर उनके जूते उतारती तो उससे पूछा जाता कि क्या वह उस दिन अच्छी लड़की बनकर रही या नहीं। केजिया कुछ शब्द कहने की कोशिश करती परंतु असफल रह जाती। एक रविवार की दोपहर को दादी ने केजिया से अपने माता पिता से अच्छी प्रकार से बातचीत करने को कहा। रोज की तरह केजिया ने अपनी मां को पढ़ते हुए और पिता को खर्राटे लेते हुए देखा। वह पिता को जगाने के लिए पानी लाई। जब वह जाग गए तो उन्होंने उसे घूर कर देखने के लिए मना किया क्योंकि वह उल्लू की तरह दिखाई दे रही थी। एक दिन जन्मदिन का तोहफा देने के लिए केजिया की दादी ने केजिया से कहा कि वह अगले सप्ताह अपने पिता के जन्मदिन पर एक तोहफा बनाकर उन्हें प्रेजेंट करे। वह तोहफा पीले सिल्क का एक पिन कुशन था। केजिया ने एक पिन कुशन बनाया। अपने भोलेपन में उसने अपने पिता के कुछ कागज फाड़कर उन्हें कुशन में भर दिया। वास्तव में वे कागज एक महत्वपूर्ण भाषण के थे जिसे उसके पिता को अगले दिन बोलना था। उस टास्क के लिए केजिया को सजा मिली। जब पिता ने अपने भाषण के कागज को ढूंढा और उन्हें जब नहीं मिला तो केजिया को उन्हें बुलाना पड़ा और बुलाने के साथ साथ उन्हें उसे पनिशमेंट करना पड़ा। उसने सुबकते हुए पूछा, भगवान ने पिता को किस लिए बनाया? पड़ोस में पिता को अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलते हुए देखकर वह सोचती थी कि संसार में अलग अलग तरह के पिता होते हैं। एक दिन केजिया ने एक भयानक सपना देखा। एक दिन केजिया एलिस रसोइये के साथ अकेली थी घर पे। पिता अपने कमरे में सो रहे थे। केजिया की दादी उसकी मां के पास अस्पताल में थी क्योंकि उसकी मां बीमार थी। नींद में केजिया को एक बुरा सपना आया। उसने देखा कि एक कसाई चाकू लिए उसके निकट आ रहा है। वह चिल्लाई और उसने अपने पिता को जगाया। उसकी चीख सुनकर पिता केजिया को अपने कमरे में ले गए और उससे अपने बिस्तर पर लिटा दिए। तब केजिया को समझ में आया कि उसके पिता उससे कितना प्रेम करते हैं। भय के कारण केजिया अपने पिता के साथ चिपक गई। पिता ने केजिया से कहा कि वह अपने पैरों को उनकी टांगों के साथ रगड़े ताकि वे गर्म हो जाएं। केजिया ने महसूस किया कि उसकी टांगें बहुत सख्त हैं। अचानक उसने महसूस किया कि ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि उसे पूरा दिन मेहनत करना पड़ता है। वह उसके साथ खेलने पर बहुत थक जाता होगा, जैसे मैकडोनाल्ड अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलते थे। उसने अपने पिता से कहा कि उसका सिर उनके दिल पर था। उसने भोलेपन में कहा, प्रिय पिताजी, आपका दिल कितना बड़ा है। My dear students, Now let us see the summary in English. The little girl Kezia was scared of her father. She would avoid him and feel somewhat relieved when her father went out of the house to work. But when he would come back home in the evening, she would rather shudder before him, though she would not do so in the presence of others. She thought that her father was too big. On Sunday afternoon, she would find her mother busy in reading and her father sleeping and snoring on the sofa. Kezia's grandmother told about her father's birthday the following week. She suggested that Kezia should make a pincushion as a gift for him. Kezia stitched 3 sides and she looked for scraps to fill it. She went to her mother's room and there she found many sheets of fine paper. She gathered the papers and tore them into tiny pieces. Then she stuffed them into her case and sewed up the 4th side. Kezia's father found that his great speech for the Port Authority was missing. He was asked Kezia's mother to put her to bed. Then she came to Kezia's room. She told her that she should be taught not to touch what did not belong to her. Thereafter, he punished her. Kezia told him that it was for his birthday. Kezia's grandmother consoled her, but still Kezia was quite scared of her father. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both of her hands behind her back. The McDonald's lived next door. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, Kezia saw the children playing with their father. She found them laughing and enjoying each other's company. Kezia thought that there was different sorts of fathers in the world. One day, Kezia's mother suddenly fell ill. Her mother and grandmother went to the hospital. While sleeping in her room, she had a bad dream of a butcher coming towards her with a knife and a rope. She cried out, "Grandma, Grandma!" She woke up and shivering to see her father beside her bed. Her father bent down and lifted her in his arms. He brought Kezia to his bed and lay beside her. Kezia moved close to him. He asked Kezia to rub her feet against his legs to get them warm. Tired out, he slept before her father. She felt sorry for tearing up his important pieces. She told her father that he has a big heart. Now let us see the moral message of this story. In this chapter, the writer Catherine Mansfield is trying to convey a message, that is parents should not be indifferent to their children. They should show their love and care towards their children even when too tired from work and do not have time for them. That's all in this video. I hope you will understand the chapter and you will like this video. That's all in this chapter. I will upload the assignment related to this lesson with this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, have a nice day.